It was built in pink and red sandstone by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh II. In the past, the women of the royal family watched processions and parades passing through the streets from these balconies. Nowadays, the Hawa Mahal also houses a small museum. Hawa Mahal. Golden Temple. The Golden Temple, also called Harmandir Sahib, is at Amritsar in Punjab. It is the holiest Sikh shrine. It is surrounded by a holy sarovar in which the pilgrims bathe. The temple is built of white marble and its domes and walls are covered with gold. Golden Temple. It is said that when Akbar was the Emperor of India, he had great respect for all the religions. He gave a piece of land to Guru Ram Das, the fourth Sikh Guru, to build a temple. Its construction was initiated in 1581 by Guru Arjan Dev, the fifth Sikh Guru. In 1802, its domes and walls were covered in gold by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The holy book of the Sikhs, the Guru Granth Sahib, is kept here. Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial, made of white marble, is situated in Kolkata. It was built by the British in memory of Queen Victoria. Various pictures related to the life of Queen Victoria have been displayed in its central hall. It is a marvelous example of amalgamation of Indian and European architecture. Victoria Memorial. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal in Agra is the most famous Indian monument situated on the bank of the Yamuna. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, who ruled India from 1628 to 1658. Taj Mahal means the pride of the palace. In the year 1631, Mumtaz Mahal, Shah Jahan's wife, died. The emperor decided to build the most beautiful tomb in sweet memory of his beloved wife. He summoned the best artists and architects from India, Turkey, Persia and Arabia. It took more than 20,000 men working over a period of over 2 decades to construct the Taj Mahal. It is made of white marble, crafted with beautiful inlaid work of precious and semi-precious stones. Taj Mahal. Meenakshi Temple. The Meenakshi Temple is situated at Madurai in Tamil Nadu. It has 2 major shrines dedicated to Meenakshi, a form of Parvati, and Sundareshwara, Lord Shiva. In the temple, there is a hall which has 1,000 pillars. Each pillar has carvings of gods and goddesses. There are huge gateways called Gopurams in the temple complex. Meenakshi Temple. Charminar. The Charminar is situated at the center of the old city of Hyderabad. It was built by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah in 1591. It is a massive square gateway. It has 4 beautifully carved minarets, each 48.7 meter high. The Charminar was built to celebrate the eradication of plague epidemic from the city. Charminar.